To meet its 2030 climate mandates, India must expand its public EV charging network to 1.3 million stations, a nearly 45-fold increase in less than 5 years. It requires building 14 times our entire historical infrastructure footprint every single year. Yet today, behind the aggressive headlines, out of the 29,000 public charging stations installed, only 23,000 are actually operational. On the ground, a hidden crisis is brewing. Under the PM e-Drive scheme alone, the government has injected 2,000 crore rupees to push 72,000 new chargers into the ecosystem. But deployment speed is colliding head-on with structural reality.
The macro numbers are deceptive. While oil marketing companies like Indian Oil, PPCL, and HPCL have aggressively pushed over 27,000 combined chargers into the field, the bottleneck isn't the hardware, it's the grid capability and asset distribution. True operational readiness requires navigating a fragmented ecosystem where a single miscalculation turns a highly anticipated infrastructure asset into dead weight.
This is where traditional real estate and infrastructure playbooks fail. Developers treat charging hubs like simple commercial plug-and-play installations. But in a climate defined by severe power grid constraints, that assumption is a mathematical blind spot.
Look at the sensitivity analysis of a standard 4 charger DC fast charging station. At 40% utilization, capital payback is achieved in a healthy 4 to 5 years. But if your site selection is off, utilization drops to 25%. That small shift more than doubles your payback period to nearly 7 to 8 years. Combine that with the fact that upstream grid connection costs consume up to 28% of your initial capex, and an unmapped transformer upgrade can instantly trigger a 30% budget overrun before you even secure DISCOM clearance.
Overcoming this risk requires moving away from speculative deployments. It demands an engineering-first methodology that treats energy infrastructure as an integrated life cycle. This is the framework pioneered by IMARC Engineering.
IMARC de-risks the entire asset lifecycle through an uncompromising six-phase execution model. We don't just place hardware, we score sites based on location premiums near retail and transit hubs with high utilization potential. From advanced CapEx and OpEx modeling to aggressive upstream power insulation, where we leverage subsidies for grid upgrades, IMARC synchronizes DISCOM engagements, IS 17017 compliance, and PM eDrive paperwork under a unified engineering strategy. We streamline deployment timelines through integrated planning, faster approvals, and coordinated execution.
As institutional capital floods the Indian EV landscape, the winners won't be those who install the fastest, but those who build most efficiently. Stress test your deployment strategy, optimize your grid integration, and secure your long-term utilization with the experts who engineer certainty. Connect with IMARC Engineering today to co-develop the future of India's energy highways.